Welcome back to the channel. I have a little feature here that I'd like to show off in DarkMark. Let me bring that up. So I'm going to load the Lego Gears data set. That one's available for download on the Darknet YOLO FAQ and also on my website. Alright, what I'm going to show you here, right mouse click, go to review and review IoU, intersection over union. That's a new review command that was implemented. And if we take a look, right now I've got it sorted by average IOU. And this shows us images where there are likely to be errors. And if we take a look here, it says that either Darknet predicted extra things which shouldn't be in those images, or there are things that were missing. So if I double click on a row, I see what this one is, yeah. So this one here should not be a pin. The pin is this little item here. This one should be the small gears. So I'm going to bring this up. Small gears is over here. There we go. So it helped us to find a mistake. And if we go through, there you go. It found a mistake on this one as well. There are extra items on these two images. One of them is a medium gear. One of them is a small gear. This is the problem right here. And then this last image, this is the problem here. So now we select it. We hit delete. And there we go. So those three items have now been fixed. So you can sort by average IOU. You can sort by minimum, maximum. You can sort by any of these columns. And that's about it. So this is a new feature. It was in DarkMark version 1.9. There's already a couple little fixes that I've pushed in this branch already. So try it out and then come on the Darknet YOLO Discord and let us know how that works for you. Thanks.